So we're unfastening the netting on block 1. We're just all we're doing is unhooking it on the bottom here. So tomorrow when they come and pick, up top I was lifting it all and hanging it up, but I come to notice, and well, Tony told me that they can do that themselves. It's just as fast to let them do it rather than go through and try to lift it all up before they get here. So anyway, but we're unfastening it, so that part we have to do. And then tomorrow after we pick, they're bringing up the implement that goes on the back of the Kubota, so we can pull this netting off and put it back in the bag. And the key is to get it all in there without getting it all tangled up this time, which we should be able to do no problem. We'll see how it goes, but anyway, so yeah, we're getting all set up for tomorrow's pick. They're going to do block 1, and Doug or Jim was up this morning. I didn't see him or talk to him. They came in. We didn't see him come in, but Jimmy caught him. He was down there at the bottom when they were leaving, whoever it was. He didn't know if it was Jim or Doug, but he just said he took some samples and he was counting the bins. I don't know why, because they got some bins up here, but anyway, so I really wanted to talk to him so I could see what method he used to get to test the bricks. But like I said, Jimmy just happened to catch him on the way out and, you know, said a few words and then he left. So anyway, I missed him. But yeah, I'm real anxious to know how they're doing it, because the way Tony told me they were doing it doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Because what they do is he said they go through one row, they go 5 feet, take a cluster, go 5 feet on the other side, take a cluster, 5 more feet on this side, take a cluster, and do that until they got about 20 clusters, give or take. Put them in a bucket, smash them down, and take the bricks. But that's fine, but if you get a row, like especially 2 and 3, the rows are not consistent at all. I mean, I've been down some rows where they don't do as well, you know. You just get a couple rows that the soil's not that great, or they don't get the sun, or whatever. Anyway, I don't know how significant that is, but the way I was doing it, the way Tony taught me to do it, which was to take a couple berries here, and then go a quarter way down the row, take a couple more berries, quarter way, but hit like 20 rows, you know, taking a couple berries here, a couple berries there. And then you get the, you know, you're getting a lot better variety of what's out there. Or I don't know what I'm trying to say, but you know what I mean. Anyway, it seems like it's a lot more accurate that way. But anyway, whatever. Maybe they figure if they get a bad row, they want that row to ripen up. I don't know. Not really sure. And I don't know what the communication is with Tony and Doug Price. But anyway, so I'm glad we're picking this tomorrow. That makes me feel good. I really hope we can get 2 and 3 done. Well, if not before the rain, then right after it, I guess. Sure be nice if those numbers came in high enough today where they wanted to pick this week. I'd like to have this wrapped up before the rains come in case it's a big one. But anyway, I definitely want to get the nets up before the rain, and we should be able to do that no problem. Like I said, right after we're done picking, we'll go to do this one, then we'll go up top and do the one block 7. Get these nets out. Yeah. So anyway, I'm all ready down there for them tomorrow morning. I'm not sure what time we're going to start. I assume it's going to be very early. Oh, the other thing is we got bees. The bees showed up finally. That's what I want to tell you. and they just like showed up one night. I mean, one day. I went down and mainly over there on block 3. There's just, and now they're everywhere, but once it heats up, those bees are just everywhere, and they're attacking the grapes. I'm gonna put up some. I'm not gonna put any traps up here because, like I say, we're picking tomorrow. But in 2 and 3, I'm gonna put some traps out just to kind of keep a few of them out. But yeah, it was weird. All of a sudden, they were just here one day. So anyway, that's it for now. I'll let you know how it goes.